Welcome to the spoken tutorial on non-vegetarian recipes for adolescents. In this tutorial we will learn about what is adolescence, nutritional requirements during adolescence, preparation of non-vegetarian recipes such as egg spinach bhurji, mutton leg soup, mutton liver and lungs curry, minced chicken with dill leaves and fish curry. Let us first understand what is adolescence. Adolescence is the transition from childhood to adulthood. 10 to 19-year-old individuals are considered as adolescents. During this period, the requirements of energy and proteins are high. Why? Because during this period there are physical, sexual, mental, and social developmental changes. An adolescent female requires 2000 to 2400 calories and 40 to 55 grams of protein per day. Adequate amount of other micronutrients are also essential, such as iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc, folate, and vitamin B12. Importance of nutrition during adolescence has been explained in another tutorial of the same series. After learning all that is important during adolescence, we will start with the preparation of recipes. First recipe is egg spinach bhurji. You will need 1 egg, half cup spinach, 1 small sized onion, 1 green chili, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon turmeric, salt to taste, 2 teaspoon oil or butter. Procedure: heat oil or butter in a pan. Add ginger garlic paste, green chili and chopped onions. Saute the onions for 2 minutes. Now add turmeric powder and the chopped spinach. Crack the egg into the pan. Mix all the ingredients well. Now let the egg cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Egg spinach bhurji is ready to be served. Next is mutton leg soup. You will need 200 grams or 1 whole mutton leg, half medium sized onion, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon mixed whole spices, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon Bengal gram flour. Wash and clean the mutton leg pieces thoroughly. Apply half teaspoon turmeric powder on the mutton leg pieces. Keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it again. This will remove any smell from the leg pieces. In a pressure cooker, put the mutton leg pieces and chopped onions. Add whole spices, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and salt. Add 1 cup of water and cover the pressure cooker. Cook it on high flame until 1 whistle. Then lower the flame and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Allow the pressure from the cooker to release by itself and only then open it. Simultaneously, while leg pieces are being cooked in the cooker, mix Bengal gram flour with 2 tablespoons water to make a thin paste. Add the paste to the soup and stir it well. Bring the soup to boil and keep it on slow flame for 2 minutes. Mutton leg soup is ready. Next recipe is mutton liver and lungs curry. You will require 100 gram mutton liver and lungs, 1 medium sized onion, 1 medium sized tomato, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon curd, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, salt to taste, 2 teaspoon oil or ghee. Wash the mutton lungs and liver in water thoroughly. Heat oil in a pressure cooker. Add chopped onion and saute till it becomes light golden in color. Then add chopped tomatoes and ginger garlic paste and saute it. Now add the lungs and liver to it. Add the spices, curd and mix well. Saute it for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup of water and cover the pressure cooker. Cook it on medium flame for 15 minutes. Mutton liver and lung curry is ready and can be served with pearl millet roti or sorghum roti. If mutton lungs and liver is not available, you can also use chicken liver and chicken heart. The fourth recipe is minced chicken with dill leaves. Take 100 gram minced chicken, 1 cup dill leaves, half medium sized onion, half medium sized tomato, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon oil or ghee. Heat oil in a cooking pot. Add onions and ginger garlic paste. Now saute till onions turn light golden. Add tomatoes, red chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Mix well and add some salt. Next, add minced chicken and saute for 4 to 5 minutes. Pour half cup water and cover the pot. Cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Add chopped fresh dill leaves. Mix well and cook it on medium flame for 5 minutes. Minced chicken with dill leaves is ready. The last recipe is fish curry. Take 100 gram or 2 pieces of rohu, 1 small onion, 1 small tomato, 1 tablespoon peanuts, 3 to 4 pieces of coconut, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 2 teaspoon oil or ghee. Note that this recipe can be prepared with any locally available fish of your area. Procedure. Roast the peanuts on a pan on medium flame. Stir them continuously to avoid burning. Then keep them aside to cool. Rub the peanuts between your palms to remove the outer cover. Grind onion, tomato, peanuts, cumin seeds and coconut into a paste. Heat oil in a cooking pot and add the paste. Add red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the fish pieces and 1 cup of water. Bring it to a boil. Cover the vessel and cook it on a low flame for 5 minutes. You can add chopped coriander leaves on top for garnishing. Fish curry is ready. All of these recipes are good source of nutrients such as protein, fat, iron, vitamin B12, zinc, magnesium and folate. Let us look at the health benefits of these recipes. Firstly, chicken, fish, eggs, mutton are all excellent sources of complete protein. Secondly, iron present in non-vegetarian food is easily absorbed. Iron requirements are higher in female adolescents because of menstrual blood loss. Low iron levels can cause fatigue, pale skin, and increased risk of infections. Iron is required for growth in lean muscle mass and blood cell volume. Third, fish like mackerel, salmon, tuna, cod, herring, and sardines are good sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids is needed for brain and visual development. Interestingly, only non-vegetarian food, milk and milk products contain vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is required for red blood cell formation, energy production and neurological functioning. It also helps in healthy development of fetus during pregnancy. Also, meat and eggs are good sources of zinc. Zinc is essential during adolescence for growth, cognition and sexual maturation. Therefore, it is of utmost importance to have a well-balanced meal. A combination of different non-vegetarian and vegetarian food should be included in our diet. This brings us to the end of the tutorial on non-vegetarian recipes for adolescents. Thank you for watching.